Hello, spiritual friends. In this video, I want to talk to you about the aspect of ascension, discovery of self. If you want to ascend this dimensional reality, I recommend you pay attention. In ancient Greece, at the Oracle of Delphi, the famous words, "Know thyself," are the first words above the entrance. This ancient wisdom underscores the importance of understanding who we truly are. What's interesting is that we choose and plan our lives out before we incarnate into our physical bodies. We do this in the spiritual realm in a place I call the Crystal City. But when we're born, we go through the veil of amnesia and we forget everything that we just planned out, including who we are as infinite divine beings. You may be wondering why this happens. My higher self told me that we wouldn't be able to fulfill our missions if we remembered everything. It would be too distracting. So we forget for a period of time in order to go through our lessons and what we came here to learn. Fortunately, we can discover who we are in a variety of ways. One of the best ways to uncover your true self is through hand analysis. Your life purpose is in your fingerprints, your personality is in your hand shape, and your free will is in your lines. I like to look at the hands first to uncover the deepest wisdom about ourselves. There are also some other tools available. Astrology, for example, analyzes celestial influences on your personality and your life path. Numerology uses numbers derived from your birth date and name to reveal core aspects of your character and destiny. Chinese astrology provides insights based on the Chinese zodiac and elemental cycles. And human design combines astrology, the I Ching, Kabbalah, and the chakra system to map out your unique energetic blueprint. So whichever tool or combination of tools you use, it's important for you to know who you are and why you are here on the planet. What is your unique purpose and combination of skills that only you have? Above all, you need to know that your life matters, that you matter. Because as you uncover your true nature, you will then be able to express the highest version of that, which naturally raises your vibration, affecting your spiritual ascension. Who do you think you are? Let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for joining me today.